Okay, chapter number 15, area. So now here we will be studying about the area of different shapes. First topic is area of parallelogram. Okay, so now what is parallelogram? You know the rectangle has the opposite side. Okay, so what is the parallelogram? Here you can see, draw a big enough parallelogram ABCD on a paper as shown in the figure. Right here it's the parallelogram. Okay, so what are the properties? The opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Okay, parallelogram की opposite sides क्या होती है? Parallel होती है एक दूसरे की. Means this AD and BC, they are the parallel sides, right? And here this one AD and DC, these are the parallel and congruent sides. Okay, so the rectangle is formed from the parallelogram, so areas of both the figures are equal. Base of parallelogram is one side, length of the rectangle, and its height is the other side, that is breadth of the rectangle. Okay, now look. Here you can see it's the it's the parallelogram. So base of this parallelogram आपको find करना है parallelogram का अगर area. So formula क्या है area of parallelogram का? Base into height. What is the formula? Base into height. So now what will be the base here? Here this side. Okay, ये क्या रहेगी? जो longer side है आपकी, जो bottom में है, that will be considered as the base BC. Okay, and this perpendicular line drawn from A to E, right? So this perpendicular line is considered as the height. Okay, so ये आपको formula given है. Using this formula, whenever you have to find the area, you can find. Okay, area of parallelogram is base into height. Okay, next. Here a solved example is given to you to find the area of parallelogram. If base of a parallelogram is 8 cm and height is 5 cm, then find its area. Okay, now look, base और height given है आपको parallelogram की. Find क्या करना है आपको? उसका area find करना है, right? So therefore area of the parallelogram is base into height. So now base is 8 and height is 5. So 8 into 5. 8 into 5 will give you 40. So that is 40 square centimeter. Correct. समझ में आया? Okay, so now इस तरीके से you have to solve practice it 15.1. Okay, similarly we'll solve all the questions given in the 15.1. There are total 3 questions. Question number 1, if base of a parallelogram is 18 centimeter and its height is 11 centimeter, find its area. Okay, आपको first find करना है area, आपको area find करना है. Okay, so base given है 18 and height given है 11. Okay, so now we'll find out. Okay, 15.1 question number 1. 15.1 first question. Okay, given that base of the parallelogram, right? The base of a parallelogram is 18 centimeters. So we'll write here first with what is given to us. Then height of the parallelogram, right? Height of the parallelogram is 11 centimeter, right? So the area of parallelogram, the area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. Okay, is equals to base into height. Now base is given as 18 and height is given as 11. Okay, so now when you will multiply 11, you will get the final answer. Okay, now let's multiply. 18 ones are 18, 0, 18 ones are 18, add them, so you will get 198. So 198 is the area you will get. Okay, 198 square centimeter. The unit of the area is always square unit, right? So now unit is centimeter, so here we'll write square centimeter. अगर मीटर होता तो आप क्या लिखते हैं यहाँ पे? Square meter. Okay, so therefore area of a parallelogram is 198 square centimeter. ये आपका final answer रहेगा. You have to write the final answer in words. Okay, therefore area of parallelogram is 198 square centimeter. Okay, clear? Now next, second question. Question number 2. If area of parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter and its base is 8 centimeter, find its height. Okay. Now again, आपको area given है और base given है. You are supposed to find the height. Okay. So here you will use the formula again. Okay. First we'll write what is given. So question number 2. First आपको area given है, right? Area of parallelogram. So here we'll write area. Area of parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter. ये given है. And its base is given as 8 centimeter. Okay. You are supposed to find height. आपको height find करना है. Okay. So now we'll use the formula area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. So base is what? 8 centimeter. Height find करना है. So keep it as it is, right? और area आपको given है. Area is given as 29.6, right? Okay. So now we'll शिफ्ट द वैल्यू. 8 आप क्या करोगे 29.6 के पास में शिफ्ट करोगे. सो यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लीकेशन में दूसरी साइड जाएगा तो डिवीजन में हो जाएगा, राइट? सो हाइट इज इक्वल 29.6 अपॉन 8. ओके. सो नाउ 29.6 से आप क्या करोगे 6 को 8 से डिवाइड करोगे. सो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ हाइट. ओके. वो हाइट मिलेगी 29.6 अपॉन 8. ओके. नाउ 8 1 जा 8. 8 3 are 24, right? Remaining will be 5, so you will carry forward. वन प्लेस के बाद अब क्या करोगे डेसिमल पुट करोगे. नाउ 8 के टेबल में 56 कौन सी पोजीशन पे आएगा 7, राइट? 8 7 जा 56. सो हाइट यू आर गेटिंग 3.7 centimeter, correct? So therefore height of a parallelogram is 3.7 centimeter. Okay. फाइनल आंसर आपका वर्ड्स में आएगा. Therefore height of a parallelogram is 3.7 centimeter. Okay, clear? Next, question number 3, last question of this practice set. Question number 3. Area of parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. If its height is 6.4 centimeter, find the length of its base. Okay. Now here area is given, height is given. इसके पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में आपको एरिया और बेस गिवन था. यहाँ पे एरिया और हाइट गिवन है, आपको बेस फाइंड करना है. ओके. सो सेम मेथड यू हैव टू फॉलो. फर्स्ट वी विल राइट व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस. ओके. आप पहले जो गिवन है वो लिखोगे, देन जो अननोन टर्म है उसको फाइंड करने के लिए फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे. ओके. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, area is given first, right? Area of parallelogram, that is 83.2 square centimeter. 83.2 square centimeter. After that height is also given, so height is given as 6.4. then area of parallelogram, आपको फाइंड क्या करना है, बेस फाइंड करना है. ओके. सो नाउ here is the formula. Area of parallelogram is equals to base into height. Okay. So 83.2 is equals to base into height. Height is given as 6.4 centimeter. Okay. Now you are supposed to find base, so you will keep it as it is and you will shift 6.4 to the left side of the equal. So it will become division. 83.2 divided by 6.4. Okay. Now look here. The decimal is present at one place after the in denominator, and in numerator also it is present after one digit, so it can be cancelled, right? 6, so it has become now 832 and 64. So now we will divide 832 and 64 to get the final answer. So base is equals to 832 upon 64. Now it can be cancelled easily by the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. Hmm? So here we'll write 83.2 था एंड 6.4 था, राइट? सो यहाँ पे आप लोगों का जो डेसिमल है वो इजीली क्या हो जाएगा, कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. नाउ हियर विल गेट, आपके पास 832 है, राइट? सो हियर यू विल राइट 8 tens are 80, remaining 3 will be carry forward, right? So it will be 32. now 8 के टेबल में 32 कौन से पोजीशन पे आएगा? 8 4s are 32 and here 8 8s are 64. So now you got 104 upon 8. आपको 104 को 8 से डिवाइड करना रहेगा, राइट? 104 upon 8. Now 8 ones are 8. 2 carry forward करोगे, 8 threes are 24. So now you have the value of base as 13 centimeter, right? So the base of the parallelogram is 13 centimeter, right? Final answer आपका क्या रहेगा words में? Write down the final answer in words. Therefore base of a parallelogram is 13 centimeter. Okay, got it? So here we have completed practice set 15.1.